Hello and welcome to Edupedia World, the one-stop shop for all your learning needs. Today's Hindi session is going to talk on conjunctions. Or in Hindi means and, okay? Or in Hindi means and, okay? Here, please do not get confused with or of English. Let's proceed to the examples. कनक और पलक 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हैं. Here, Kanak and Palak are studying in 7th grade. कनक और पलक 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हैं. Then, चांद और सितारे रात को दिखते हैं. चांद और सितारे. चांद is the moon. सितारे is the stars. The moon and the stars रात को in the night दिखते हैं. Visible. दिखना is to see. To be seen. Okay? To be visible. So, चांद और सितारे रात को दिखते हैं. Right? कनक और पलक 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हैं. चांद और सितारे रात को दिखते हैं. So, or means and. एक और एक 11. Okay? So, or is and. Then, ya. Now, English or is Hindi ya. Let us look at the examples. मैं क्या करूं? अभियंता बनूं या अभिनेता? Now, अभियंता is an engineer. Abhineta is an actor. So, अभियंता engineer, अभिनेता actor. बनना is to become. बनना. तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to become? मैं क्या करूं? What shall I do? क्या? What? मैं क्या करूं? करना is to do. So, what shall I do? मैं क्या करूं? अभियंता बनूं या अभिनेता? What shall I do? Become an engineer or an actor? Then, another example. तुम्हें सेब पसंद है या आम? तुम्हें you. सेब apples. आम mangoes. पसंद like. तुम्हें सेब पसंद है या आम? Do you like apples or mangoes? Right? So, ya means or. Or of English is ya of Hindi. And of English is or of Hindi. Okay? तुम्हें सेब पसंद है या आम? This or that. ये या वो. Okay? Then, key. I wanted to tell you that. मैं तुमसे कहना चाहती थी कि. Okay? That. Examples. तुम इतना काम करते हो कि तुम्हें रात और दिन का फर्क ही नहीं पता. You work so hard. तुम इतना काम करते हो. काम करना is to work. Okay? इतना, so much. तुम इतना काम करते हो. You work so hard कि that तुम्हें you रात और दिन day and night का फर्क. फर्क means difference. तुम्हें रात और दिन का फर्क ही नहीं पता. You don't know the difference between day and night. You work so hard that you don't know the difference between day and night. तुम इतना काम करते हो कि तुम्हें रात और दिन, रात और दिन का फर्क ही नहीं पता। Then let's take a look at another example. मैंने उसे कहा था, I had told him. Now उसे can also be referred to a girl. Okay? Here we are not very clear. उसे किसे? To whom? Okay? मैंने उसे कहा था. So I had told him. Let us take in this context. I had told him कि that आज मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ. आज today मैं I घर पे at home नहीं हूँ. Not there. नहीं, no, not there. मैंने उसे कहा था, I had told him कि that आज मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ. I am not there at home today. So कि means that. तुमने मुझे नहीं बताया कि तुम हिंदी पढ़ रहे हो. तुमने मुझे नहीं बताया. You did not tell me. नहीं बताया, बताना is to tell. You did not tell me that कि तुम हिंदी सीख रहे हो. That you are learning Hindi. Okay? This was another example. So कि means that. कि रस्व की. Okay? Remember this. Rasva, the first key. E. Then but. Now there are different ways of saying but. Let us take the first example. But means lekin, and there are some other words also for but. First example, लेकिन. मुझे तुम्हारी दावत में आना अच्छा लगेगा, लेकिन कल मुझे दिल्ली जाना है. मुझे to me. मुझे तुम्हारी दावत में, दावत in this case is party. I would love to come to your party. मुझे तुम्हारी दावत में आना, आना to come. अच्छा लगेगा, लगेगा this is future tense. I would love to come to your party. I would love अच्छा लगेगा. I would love to come to your party. लेकिन but कल. Now kal means yesterday as well as tomorrow, and the sentence gives you the context. लेकिन कल मुझे दिल्ली जाना है. That means here kal means tomorrow. लेकिन but कल, that is tomorrow, मुझे दिल्ली जाना है. I have to go to Delhi tomorrow. Okay? मुझे तुम्हारी दावत में आना अच्छा लगेगा, लेकिन कल मुझे दिल्ली जाना है. I would love to come to your party, but I have to go to Delhi. Another example. यह काम सुनने में बड़ा ही आसान लगता है, लेकिन असल में बहुत कठिन है. यह काम, this job, सुनने में to means to listen. While listening it seems very simple. यह काम सुनने में बड़ा ही आसान लगता है, very simple. This job seems very simple. But लेकिन असल में, in reality, असल में बहुत कठिन है. It is a tough one. कठिन, tough. आसान, सुलभ, simple. कठिन, tough. Okay? So, यह काम सुनने में बड़ा ही आसान लगता है, लेकिन असल में बहुत कठिन है. So, लेकिन means but. Then, another word that is very regularly used for but is पर. मैं तुम्हारी सहायता करना चाहता हूँ. I want to help you. मैं, I, तुम्हारी सहायता. सहायता means help. क्या तुम मेरी सहायता करोगे? Will you help me? सहायता करना means to help. मैं तुम्हारी सहायता करना चाहता हूँ. चाहना is to wish, to want to. I want to help you. But पर, here we are using पर अब मेरे पास ज्यादा पैसे नहीं है, but I don't have enough money now. But right now I don't have enough money. मैं तुम्हारी सहायता करना चाहता हूँ, पर अब मेरे पास ज्यादा पैसे, enough money नहीं है, I don't have enough money to help you. Then another example. उसका बड़ा मन था पिक्चर देखने का, पर उसकी माँ ने जाने नहीं दिया. उसका बड़ा मन था, in this case she wanted to watch the movie. She was very keen to watch the movie. उसका बड़ा मन था पिक्चर देखने का, but उसकी माँ ने जाने नहीं दिया. But her mummy didn't allow her to go. Okay, here par takes the form of, par is just as good as lekin, but. Okay, मैं तुम्हारी सहायता करना चाहता हूँ. If I'm a girl, I will say मैं तुम्हारी सहायता करना चाहती हूँ, पर but अब मेरे पास ज्यादा पैसे नहीं है, but I don't have enough money right now. उसका बड़ा मन था पिक्चर देखने का. She wanted to see the picture, where she wanted to see the movie. Picture in Hindi basically means movie, right? उसका पिक्चर देखने का बड़ा मन था, पिक्चर देखने का, पर उसकी माँ ने जाने नहीं दिया. But her mother didn't allow her to go. And lastly, मगर is also but. मैं अनार तो ले आया, मगर सारे के सारे खराब निकले. I got the pomegranates, but all of them turned out to be rotten. But all of them were rotten. मैं अनार तो ले आया, I got the pomegranates, but मगर सारे के सारे, all of them, सारे, all, सारे के सारे, all of them खराब निकले. Turned out to be bad, rotten. Kharab is rotten. Okay. Now, let's look at another style. This is not necessarily a conjunction. Agar magar. Now, this example will make it clearer to you. अगर मगर कहते रहोगे तो कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. If you keep on saying ifs and buts, you will not be able to do anything. In short, if you keep giving reasons, you will not be able to do anything. So, agar magar is also another pair. Agar magar कहते रहोगे, कहना, to say. अगर मगर कहते रहोगे, if you keep on saying ifs and buts, तो कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. Then you will not be able to do anything. Okay? There is another word in Shuddh Hindi called kintu. That also means but. But I think we have had enough of buts. So let's not continue on that front. But it's good to know that apart from lekin, par and magar, kintu is also used in Shuddh Hindi. Okay? Simple example. Take the same case. मैं अनार तो ले आया, किंतु मैं अपना बैग भूल गया. मैंने अनार तो खरीदे, किंतु मैं अपना बैग भूल गया. मैंने अनार तो खरीदे, खरीदना is to buy. I bought the pomegranates, but किंतु मैं बैग वहाँ भूल गया. But I forgot the bag there. भूलना is to forget. Okay? So, keep listening to new Hindi words. Keep listening to Hindi dialogues. Try and learn how Hindi is spoken on day-to-day basis. That is when you grasp the language. Hope you enjoyed the session today. Thank you for watching this video. अंग्रेजी में thank you, हिंदी में धन्यवाद.